we are going to see some programs which is associated with the Python list. Today's program is add the elements and display the sum of the elements of a list. Suppose the top one, it is the picture of a list. It is a picture of a list, and what will going to happen? 0, 1, 2, these are called the subscripts, and 1, 2, 3, these are called the elements of the list. Now, we know that one list is a consecutive memory locations and different types of data, same type of data and different types of comma separated values can be stored over there. Like the book, in the book what happens? In the computer book, suppose different chapters and different topics are stored in different pages. So content of the book is separated with the page. Page number 1, this content. Page number 2, this content. Like that one, here the name of the, suppose the list is L. L0 means in the L0 memory location 1 has been stored. L1 location 2 has been stored. L2 location 3 has been stored. We can pass the values directly 0, 1, 2 like that, or we can pass the variables. If the variables are passed, then it will be easy for us, because if inside the for loop we are going to increment it, that one we don't have any problem. But if we directly pass the number, suppose L1, it will display only 1. Okay, so if the for loop, if we pass the variables, it will be easy for us. Now see the programs. What is the program? We will add all the elements, means 1 plus 2 plus 3. All the elements will be added and sum will be displayed over there. So what I have done, I have created a blank list. This is called the blank list. Blank list means it can be depending upon the user, the length of the list can be reduced and can be the increased one. Sum one, it is what it is. It is the variable which is going to store the sum. Max_L means maximum length of the string. I am taking the input from the user. For I, in range 0 to max_L, it will run. I have accepted the number, and L.append. What is the work of the append function? Append function is inserting the element at the blank space of the list. Suppose 0 location is blank, it will insert the element in the 0 location. If 0 location there is some elements, it will be inserted into the first location, like that way. Now what things we have done new over here? Last day we have done a program with the list, but there it is an static initialization, means when I declare the list, I have initialized what are the elements of the list. Here today the size of the list and the elements of the list is going to be depend upon the user. Append, what is a function? This is a function, inbuilt function. It will insert the element in the blank position of the list. Now what I have done, for j in range is 0 to max_L, max length, sum1 is equal to sum1 plus lj. What will going to happen? Suppose 1, 2, 3 has been stored in the 0 location 1, in the 1 location 2, in the second location 2, 3 has been stored. Here what will happen? First the value of the j will be 0. So sum1 is 0. 0 plus j means 0 location 1, it has been 1. After that, with the for loop, the value of the j is going to be changed with 1. So what will going to be happen? 1 is stored over there. Now sum1 value is 1 plus lj, j means 1. In one first location what has been stored? 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Now the value of the j is once again going to be changed. So it will be 2. So what will going to be happen? 2 plus 1, 3 already stored over there. Now 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 will be printed over there. Thank you.